Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $57 over and over just by scrolling on a page. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. And as soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is colorize.cc. So what you're going to be doing, guys, is turning black and white photos to color. It's a big demand out there for this type of service. It's a lot of people that have black and white photos, and they want to turn those photos to color. Now, they don't know about this tool on the internet, so they will go hire somebody or buy this type of service from somebody to get their black and white photos turned to color. So what you're going to do is provide that service for them. So let me just show you how it works. After you upload a photo, all you do is scroll. As you can see right here, this is black and white. And if you scroll to your left, it turns color. And if somebody wants to turn a color into black and white, as you see, you scroll to the right and it turns to black and white. So here's another picture. So this is black and white, and this is color. Boom. And all you do is download this, whatever image that the customer provide for you, turn it into color, download that to your computer. And what I'm going to do is show you a website you can go to and provide these services. So let me go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and you're probably familiar with this website, especially if you've been looking at my videos. I have talked about Fiverr before. It's a very, very popular online website where freelancers provide their services. So you're going to be a freelancer, and you're going to provide this service to customers on this website. There's a lot of people looking for this type of service, like I said before. Now, what I did was put in colorized photo, and as you can see, it's 3,784 services available. So this is a big, high demand for this type of service. So let's just look at what they're charging here. So you got some of them charging $5, $10. And got some of them charging $25. And check this out, guys. You think that's kind of low? I'm going to show you another price, $35. So you can charge $35 if you like. And what you can do, guys, look, you can charge $50. So What you can do, guys, is charge $50 to $60 and say, hey, I'll provide you with 5 or 10 photos that I will turn to color. So this is a good method, guys, and you can provide this service. Very, very easy to start doing. All you do is just sign up here with Fiverr and provide some samples and watch people start coming to your profile. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Now guys, I try to do this every video. I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate you. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep hitting that like button. And if you share my videos, please keep sharing them. Help this channel to grow. All right, guys. Thank you. Road to 7,000. Here we come. And on that note, guys, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.